I'm Tamara Sherrill, and we're looking at part of our ʻUala collection. ʻUala, or sweet potato, is a Hawaiian canoe plant. So it was brought by the first Polynesian explorers, and there's lots of controversy and research still trying to figure out exactly where it came from first and how the Polynesians got it. Here at Maui Nui Botanical Gardens, ʻUala is planted by cuttings, and almost all of the Hawaiian canoe plants, the crop plants, are actually planted in some method that is an actual clone. So you're not planting from seeds, you're planting the same individual over and over again. So the genetic diversity theoretically stays the same. So you're not getting seeds that are new individuals, you're just planting the same individual over and over and over again. And what we do is we'll take a cutting, we'll cut all of the leaves off, usually everyone except for the very tip, because you don't want the sunlight while it's forming roots to wilt the cutting. And then you just plant that, usually a third of the way in, and it roots really quickly. As long as you have moist soil, it'll root within just a few days. Some people also like to just put them in water and that forms roots, but that's how ʻUala is propagated, and it has been for thousands and thousands of years.
Welcome to Kumu Farms Pavilion. This is Chef Mark from the Mill House, and one of my favorites of all the canoe fruits is the sweet potato. In my dish, we're actually going to make sweet potato fries. Basically, if you can do that with a mandolin, you want to rinse it all with water, and you keep rinsing, letting water run through there. Once the water runs clear, which means the starch is gone, then you actually dry it off in a colander and deep fry it, flash fry it until it quits bubbling. The bubbles denounce that there's the water content, and once that's happening and the bubbles are gone, your chips are ready to roll. I also do a lot of spiral mandolin cutting with the molokais. With everything a regular potato is, it'll do the same thing, but also what a regular potato doesn't have is color. That beautiful purple color. And you would do the same thing with this, rinse all your starch off, and I like to wrap that around the lobster and put that with a beautiful Big Island vanilla citrus vinaigrette.
Kumu Farm is an independent fresh organic farm based on Molokai, and later on we open here on Maui, where we grow 35 different crops, vegetable produce and fruits. And we aim to provide people with good food around the island.
Okay, so when we talk about buying local, it's really many, many reasons. You want to have the freshness, that's the most important. Freshness is taste. You want to have the nutrient value because it's not coming from miles and miles around. And you want to support the local economy. Everybody here in Hawaii is an ohana, and we want to talk about sustainability. That's really the most important part. That's all.